Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we are looking at a bit of Walgreens midweek shopping, and I went over to Rite Aid and did a haul that was $3.25 for like $54 of merchandise, and I'm going to show you all of that. This is 100% digital for both of the stores and 100% awesome for both of the stores. So just a quick little photo of somebody I found in the store at Rite Aid. It was Rocco the dog again. I see this bulldog often, and maybe it's the universe saying I need to get a bulldog. So thumbs up if you think this little guy has the cutest, most adorable face. So friendly. I would take this dog in a second if I could. He's so adorable. I won't steal the dog though, but please give this video a thumbs up if you think he's adorable, because I think he's absolutely adorable. First store that we're at is Walgreens, and I'm going to recommend to do the following two deals in store because they involved register rewards. So if you want your register reward to print, you got to be in store. You can't do it as a curbside. Now, unfortunately, my store only had one of these 3-packs of the Ivory Bar soap. I think it's a very specific buyer that buys it on the regular, but it's producing a register reward this week, so that's why we're going to pounce on this deal. We're going to grab 2 of these on a buy one get one 50% off. Remember, we're doing this in store for $4.48. If you wish to use $4 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay the 48 cents. And then you're getting back a $4 register reward. So it makes it 48 cents for the 2 or 24 cents for a 3-pack of Ivory Bar soap. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can roll your cash to earn that register reward. Okay, so this next deal, I was just using this booster. I wanted to have a smaller out of pocket and just to use it so I can get another one next week. This is earn $10 when you spend $25. I do like this one. You have until the 20th, which is Saturday, to do this deal. I grabbed 2 of the Olay body washes. Alternatively, if you want to grab the Old Spice, you can do that. 2 of the very cheap Crest mouth rinses for $3 a pop. And that's on a promotion, buy 2, get a $3 register reward. And then the Pantene Rescue, because that stuff is liquid gold. So just to show you the pretty little course line of items I grabbed in the store. And of course I got the Olay body wash because I have some problems. And then this is the digital coupon that you're going to load. It's a 4 off of 2. Alternatively, if you want to grab Old Spice, go for it. And then for the Pantene, this guy is $6 this week. I think the regular price for it in store is $6.99. And it's like an oil that you put in your hair just to revive it, add some life to your hair. And we have a $5 digital that's attaching, so that is pretty spectacular. The last thing I grabbed was 2 of the Crest mouth rinses. Alternatively, if you can't find 2 of them, there's also $3 brushes, this one in tea tree. It's really nice. And then we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So looking at the math for this basket, guys, we have 2 of the Olay body washes at $7 a pop for $14, 1 Pantene Rescue for $6, 2 of the Crest mouth rinses for $6 as well, for a grand total of $26. So make sure you have your booster loaded of 10 back when you spend $25. That booster is of a one-time use, so if you used it on Sunday, unfortunately you can't use it a second time, just to note that. If you might have a paper booster, like a 5 back when you spend $20, that printed out of the Catalina machine, by all means throw that in for extra savings. Back to this deal, $12 of digital coupons is melting off, the ones that I showed you in the slides previous. You're going to pay with your debit card $14, get back $10 in Walgreens cash for the booster, and $7 in register rewards, 4 for Olay and 3 for Crest, making this a $3 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using a booster in this scenario. But a nice, neat, and tidy little deal if you might have that booster and you just want to get some of the, sales items of the week with digital coupons. This is the way to get this basket of $26 of merch for free and a $3 moneymaker. Kind of great. Okay, now we're going to look at Rite Aid, and apologies in advance if I call it Walgreens cash. I have Walgreens on the brain most of the time, but we're at Rite Aid for the remainder of this video. Okay, so I did get a $50 basket, or $54 of merchandise that include 6 Downy fabric softeners, 2 of the Method spray cleaners, and then 3 Listerine mouth rinses for a grand total, I think it's like $54. Received an email, and this is what I used for the basket. It's 10 back when you spend 50. So this was through an email. If you want to screenshot this, if you didn't get the same email as I'm sure you can use it. There's also one in the flyer as well, so you could possibly do 2 different deals, separate transactions, of course. And then I also had this in the email, which is a 5 off 25. And I had another 5 off 25 print out of the Catalina machine for me the week previous. I didn't grab a picture, but it's utilized in this deal. So 3 of these Lisтерines, it says $9.29, but they were actually ringing up $8.29. So that was kind of lucky for me. And there's a promotion on this Listerine this week that when you spend 12, you get 6 back. So that's 50% return on investment. And you can do this up to 2 times per store card. And we use a lot of Listerine in this house, my husband especially. I have a bonus cash challenge for spend 28, get back $6. I've already hit that $4 mark with what I bought today. And obviously for a basket in the future, I'll just grab something really small to finish this bonus cash challenge, such as these little like strips that you put in your mouth. I just didn't grab it. I'll buy that in the future, but it's $4.99 for these little strips, and it's part of the bonus cash challenge as well. Now, the next thing that I grabbed was 6 of these Downy fabric softeners, so the smaller one with the pink cap. And the promotion for these, they are 2 for $7 or $3.50 a pop. And then when you buy $20 worth, you're going to get back $5 in bonus cash. So, I mean, it's definitely not Walgreens, but I had this bonus cash challenge that had almost $15 tracking. So with the 21, I think I'm going to get like $6 on this one for my bonus cash challenge. Everybody's bonus cash challenge is also different. So that's why this stuff is just harder to explain, because everybody's stuff is a little bit different. Definitely go through your bonus cash challenges and pick out the deals that work best for you. But if you have the same ones as I, perhaps this will line up for you. Final item that I grabbed was 2 of these Method, like it's an antibacterial cleaner. And I got the one that was pink. My mom loves the smell of that, so I got her 2 of them. I think it's called like grapefruit or something like that. I don't like the taste of grapefruit, but I like anything that smells like grapefruit. Are you the same way? Let me know in the comments. Maybe I'm just a weirdo. $4 of bonus cash when you buy 2 of these. So you're basically getting 1 for free. So I will do that all day, every day for Method, because I do love this product. Looking at the overall basket, guys, we have 6 of those Downy fabric softeners for $21, 3 Listerine mouth rinses for $24.87, and then 2 Method cleaning for $8.38, for a grand total of $54.25. Now, I got the cashier to scan my booster of 10 back when you spend $50, and I also had 2 5 off 25, one out of the Catalina machine and then the email one. So I had to pay $44.25, start crying. I rolled some bonus cash that I had on my store card, so I had to pay like $3 or $4 out of pocket. And then I got back $31 in bonus cash, 10 for the booster, 12 for Listerine, 5 for Downy, and 4 for Method. So it made it a really good deal. Any way you slice it or dice it. And I also got back $10 in bonus cash for my bonus cash challenges that I showed you for Listerine and Downy. So the final price for this monster is $3.25. And if you wish to roll your bonus cash, yes, you can do it. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Get out there shopping and have a lot of fun. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.